traffic 62862, turning lift base, runway 19, flying W.
Flying W, Warrior 43 Mike Juliet, departing runway 19 for a closed traffic. Flying W.
South Jersey, twin, departing 26 north.
San traffic, Decathlon, 3 miles south of the field, inbound, 25.
Flying W traffic 62862, turning to final runway 19, flying W.
Gauges are good, windsocks on the left. Airspeed's alive. 80. Nose coming off. Brakes. Gear. Track center. Blue line committed. Little trim. 120. Think my prop. 1 trim down.
San traffic, Decathlon entering left downwind 25, San. Flying W, 43 Mike Juliet, left crosswind for runway 19. Flying W.
Flying W traffic 62862, clear runway 19, flying W.
Guys, 600 above.
Please the final 25, San.
South Jersey, twin off the downwind 26, departure northeast.
Solberg traffic, White Cessna off from 22, turning left crosswind, Solberg.
4K 60 frames per second. Let's see what this shows. Yep. McGuire, Twin Comanche 3T Yankee. I can cancel with you so I can go to advisories and hear these guys.
3T Yankee, radar service turning, Fox B5, free exchange approved, good day.
Thanks for the help, McGuire, Twin Comanche 3T Yankee. Have a good day.
Silver traffic, Skyx 420 Papa turning, final 22, Silver.
South Jersey traffic, Twin Comanches 8 north, east inbound.
62, departing runway number 19. Staying the pattern.
W traffic, 43 Mike Juliet's on a high left base, runway 19, simulated engine out, short approach, flying W.
South Jersey traffic, Park 2015 is turning right cross number 26, South Jersey.
Twin Comanche, how far out are you for South Jersey?
Base 19er, Lincoln Park.
Just past the McGuire. South Jersey traffic, Twin Comanche 45 right downwind 26.
And Flight W, we got Piper Warrior, it's about 4 miles north, inbound on the practice RNAV 19 approach, flying W.
Traffic style 699 Papa, left downwind for runway
Alright, I got G. Get some of these lights off.
red line traffic, going to enter midfield downwind 23, red line.
South Jersey traffic, twin downwind 26.
South Jersey traffic, Stock 20105, taxiing to 26, South Jersey. Silver traffic, November 445 Delta, turning
Gears down, I got G.
Runway 22, Silver traffic.
G, U, I got a mixture and props to go. Alright, there's traffic pattern 900, there's the runway, we're in kind of tight. Let's see what this looks like. Get this slow, 15.
Traffic 62862, turn left, base hour 19, flying W.
Dumping all the flaps. Power and back.
Flying V traffic, Piper Warrior 2 miles north inbound on practice RNAV 1 approach, low approach.
South Jersey twin base, 26. Gears down. Mixture and props are full.
6 miles to the south, we'll be joining the traffic pattern for runway 22, Silver.
South Jersey twin final, 26.
Traffic 62862, turn into final runway 19, flying W.
And South Jersey again, twins final.
Silver traffic, November 445 Delta, at left downwind, runway 22.
Gears
Silver
down.
traffic.